Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, and I feel kind of dumb right now. This is still scratched, though, which is annoying. It's probably why it was marked down. The lens is scratched, but that's okay. There is a way to get scratches out of this sort of thing. I'll have to do some looking on YouTube. They've gotten scratched up lenses with certain cleaning materials. So that's probably why it was marked down, because someone didn't want scratched thing. But I reseated the batteries in here, and the things work. Now this, I didn't realize this until I just looked at this. There's a front light, very bright, and then there's that. I can do videos with it. I can hang this up and have a video light now, which is cool. And this one works too. The batteries weren't seated right. The batteries are still working. This has a little front light. And this has this light. So I won't know until I try to use this in my Vivitar. So now I have a camera light if I want. I can keep this one on the home, or see how this looks. There's that light. And then really bright. You could wave in planes with this. So I'll keep one at home, hang it up on a hook, or just stick it by my well, it doesn't want to put that in my refrigerator, and if the power goes out, I got a light. So I wish they only had one of these at Ross, but if I see one again, now I know the batteries work. I'll have to get rechargeable light heads. So that's cool. They look kind of cute together. Big one and a little one. Now what's really weird is, okay, they do stick to the refrigerator. So now there's some aluminum, some kind of stuff on the closet doors that it will not stick. I don't know if they're made of plastic or something. All right, they work, and that's good. Now I have an emergency light for the apartment. All right, and I've connected the headphones to the cable. So we'll charge these, and I'll do another video later of seeing these pair. There is a little tiny microphone on these right there. So I don't know how you're supposed to use this to make a phone call, but apparently it would work according to the packaging to make a phone call. I'll have to read the instructions, but not now. I'll look through that later. Very tired. Been a long day. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. 5:27 in the evening, Pacific time. No rain yet. Stay wet, warm, dry, or safe as the case may be, and hopefully you stay dry and safe. Bye-bye for now.